Did you know that over 90% of non-native English speakers make at least one major mistake that instantly gives away their fluency level? But don't worry, in this video I'll show you 8 common English mistakes that can ruin your fluency and how to fix them so you sound just like a native speaker. Let's dive in. If you want to speak English confidently, avoiding these mistakes is key. Many English learners struggle with grammar, pronunciation and word choice, making them sound less fluent. But today, we will fix that so you can speak English naturally and smoothly. Many English learners feel frustrated when they struggle to express themselves clearly. These common mistakes can make conversations awkward, confusing or even embarrassing. For example, have you ever said, "He don't like coffee," instead, "He doesn't like coffee"? Or mixed up since and for? Don't worry, you are not alone. In that section, I'll show you 8 mistakes you need to stop making today. 8 common English mistakes and how to fix them. Number 1. Many learners mistakenly say, "I am agree with you." But the correct way to say it is, "I agree with you." Number 2. Confusing since and for. Here's a common mistake. "I have lived here since 5 years." Instead, you should say, "I have lived here for 5 years. Number 3. Misusing people and peoples. Many learners incorrectly say, "Peoples are happy today." But native speakers say, "People are happy today." Number 4. Forgetting the ing in continuous tense. A common mistake is, "I am go to the market." The correct way is, "I am going to the market." Using he, she, don't instead of doesn't. Listen to this mistake. "He don't like pizza." Instead say, "He doesn't like pizza." Number 6. Wrong word order in questions. A lot of learners say, "You like coffee?" But the proper way to ask is, "Do you like coffee?" Number 7. Mixing up fun and funny. Here's a classic mistake. "The party was very funny." The correct way is, "The party was very fun." Number 8. Saying, "I have 25 years." Instead of, "I am 25 years old." Non-native speakers often say, "I have 25 years." But native speakers say, "I am 25 years old." The biggest mistake, saying, "I don't understand" in every situation. Instead, sound more natural by saying, "I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? Could you explain that in another way?" This makes you sound more fluent and confident, just like a native speaker. Now you know the 8 common mistakes that hold English learners back. Avoid them, and you will sound more natural and fluent in no time. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe,